What is up? My name is Brendan. You can call me Dorsett. Welcome back to Dorsett Cracks Packs. We have something a little bit familiar here today. We've got another 3 set of March of the Machines retail set boosters. These, I know we've opened these a couple times already, but I just can't help coming back to these, man. There's too much between the Multiverse Legends and just the flavor of the set itself. I mean, I'd rather keep coming back to this than go back to old stuff. I loved the Thrones of Eldraine box. We had a great time with that. I'm really looking forward to Commander Masters. But of all the standard sets we've had in a while, this one's definitely my favorite. Since Kamigawa, at least. Maybe even since Ikoria. So, let's get into it. Foil Island, Flitting Gorilla, Redcap Heel Slasher, Expedition Lookout, Halo Forager, Sandstalker Malak, Ravenous Sailback, Seraph of New Capenna. We've got Invasion of Regatha, an Emoti, Celebrant of Bounty, a Chrome Host Seed Shark. That's a hit. That's not bad for our first pack right off the rip. And a foil cut short. Ooh, and a Rain of Daggers. This is why I love set boosters, man. The list is one of my favorite things that they've done with these packs in a long time. Alright, keep it going. I think we might have to do a mystery box on the channel soon. We got a signed art card. Very nice. Windscarred Crag, Scroll Shift, Searing Barb, Final Flourish, Streetwise Negotiator, Scornblade Berserker, Kenra Spellseer, Invasion of Vryn. Ooh, get a double. Invasion of Belenon. Nice. A Jury, Master of the Review, one of the best arts in this set, honestly. Breach the Multiverse. Okay. Converter Beast foil. A token. Alright. Alright, let's see if we can finish off strong here. Big Multiverse Legend. Let's see. Amath. What up, bud? Island. Wildwood Escort. Kithkin Billy Rider. Lanake Javelineer. Core Halberd. Ravenous Sailback. Tandem Takedown. Order of the Mirror. Another Invasion of Vryn, back to back. Finn the Fangbearer, awesome card. Jeru and the Hazaret, okay, alright. Mutagen Connoisseur in the foil, and a token. Alright, so Chrome Host Seed Shark, going to be the hit of the set there. Not bad to kick the week off. Not nothing. Alright, we'll see you at the end of the week. Have a good one, everyone.